Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2021. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to introduce myself to 2021. Like 21, where have you been? Like, oh my gosh. But before we go into 2021, we do have to say goodbye to 2020. So what happened to me in 2020? So first year in January, it started out so rough. The first year I was sick. I went out on disability. I was out of work for close to 2 months on disability. Then went back to work. Then COVID hit. Then out of work for 2 months due to company decreasing and asked us if we wanted it to take some time off, which I took the time off for 2 months. Went back to work. Then went out of work again for like 2 weeks due to a passenger threw up on me and possibly they were sick. So I have to go in quarantine for 14 days. So I had the 14 days plus my other days off. So I was basically off for a little over 2 weeks. Then I went back to work. And then I had to go out of work due to an ear infection. So the whole 2020 year was just a hot mess. However, I did get some good things out of 2020. I got married in 2020. I started my business in basically going into 2020. I did get some good things out of 2020, so I can't be mad at that. However, 2021, here I come. So what's in the plan for 2021? But before, let me introduce my official self. My name is Marsha and I'm a Las Vegas based flight attendant. Be a flight attendant for 5 years now, and I am a loan signing agent. I also own 2 businesses, so I'm a boss. So I'm going into 2020 a boss. No, but I do still work for my employer. I love flying, so I'm not gonna leave. I'm sorry, I'm gonna retire in it. Plus the benefits are great, so why wouldn't I leave? I don't want to pay those benefits in my business when I can just get it basically from my employer. You know, flying is free. Why would I want to pay extra when I can just fly for free? You know, the health insurance is great, reasonable price, and the life insurance policy is great. Everything else is great, so why would I want to leave? Then I would have to buy that separate. I don't want to do that. So plans for 2021. I went to Target and I saw they have this planner here. It's 2021 daily planner from January to December. So I decided this year to be manifesting the things that's going to be happening in 2021, God's willing. So I'm going to write it down in this book. First and foremost, writing it down in this book, I'm going to start with August. In August, the month of August is very special to me. So because it's special, I am going to write down the end of August. I am going to write here that we're going to move into our place, our own home, by the end of August 2021. Then after that, December 31st, by the end of December 31st, we'll be buying our property. So there are 2 goals in 2021 is to buy our home August 31st, and the second one, December 31st, we'll buy our investment property. That's the goal going to 2021. And also, since I'm a loan signing agent, I am going to make sure that I expand on my loan signing business by going direct. I'm probably going to give myself 4 months. By April, I will go direct, and at least not just fully go full direct, but at least have a direct title company that I work with plus signing agent. Now, my profit for my loan signing business, I will actually want to reach at least, because I do work my full-time, I work my flight attendant job, I do at least want to work $30,000 for the whole year. So my aim is to work $30,000 by the end of December 31st, to make $30,000 for my loan signing business. It's so good to write these things down, so at least every day you go through your daily planner and you can see it, and not just saying it but also writing it down, because you know that you have goals in mind. 2020 I didn't write any goals down. I didn't, but I did accomplish little things. I didn't even know I was going to start a business, and I ended up starting a business, a real estate business. So it worked out good. But 2021, that's my goal. And guys, I am going to build generational wealth. I am putting it in the atmosphere. I am going to build generational wealth. And 2021 is the year to do that. So this channel is going to consist of flight attendant stuff, business stuff, and you guys will see, occasionally you guys will see my husband doing vlogs with my husband. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button, comment below, ask me any questions that you like. I'll see you guys next time, and Happy New Year's! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh, goodbye 2020.